WAMSI Westport science program has been extraordinary in terms of its scale and its scope. More than 150 scientists working on 32 projects means that this has been one of the biggest programs like this in Australia.
We know we needed to have a container terminal in Kwinana for the next century of Western Australia's economy, but exactly how that's configured and designed needs to be sympathetic to the environment and all the other uses of Cockburn Sound.
This type of deep dive into the knowledge of the area is really important in a developing coastal community. It is quite significant in the fact that we're bringing all of that information right at the start of a new project.
Westport is being positioned in an operating industrial area and an outer harbour that has been operating for about 50 years. But it's also an incredibly important water body for so many of the community that like to fish, dive, swim in it.
The WAMSI model is a fantastic model to enable that collaboration. All the different programs and themes collected data, we're sharing that data, and that data is being incorporated into models that will help with the design of the Westport development.
When the port was proposed, the government wanted to ensure that future environmental impact assessment was informed by rigorous, independent science, and that's what the program has delivered.
In the program, I was the lead of the theme that worked on the plants and animals that live on the seafloor. At the start of the program, we didn't know how seagrasses could cope with multiple pressures that occur during a dredging campaign and with climate change. So we conducted a number of experiments, and now we have some really robust thresholds that the managers can use in designing the dredging campaign. And we did find that some species were more tolerant than other species, and they'd be better used in restoration programs to future-proof the seagrass meadows moving forward.
The scientists have been doing quite a lot of research on the likely impacts of climate change, trying to understand and predict how the system might change over time, which is really important in not only Western Australia but globally as well.
This program has been fantastic. It's been a collaborative effort with scientists with lots of different backgrounds and expertise, and that's what we need to find solutions for complex problems.
The WAMSI work will feed into our environmental approvals process and be publicly available for public review. But we've also done this work to help us plan a whole bunch of projects like artificial reefs, seagrass replenishment projects and restocking projects to make sure that it's not just about getting our approvals, but it's actually about achieving our sort of net positive targets, so building resilience and building environment. So, several years after we've finished, we can actually say we left it better than we found it. That's our target, and that's what we're working towards, and we need this science to support it.
It's not just the local people that are interested in this, the people that are managing Cockburn Sound and use Cockburn Sound, but globally people are looking to this collaborative model for how to get work done and to develop solutions for a sustainable ocean.